Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Swanson. I have not done my concentration year field placement. That will start in January for me. So I would either like to work at our local children's hospital, which is AI DuPont Children's Hospital in Wilmington, Delaware, with their social work team, or I'd like to work in a private practice somewhere with that specializes in trauma. I wanted to take medical social work because I did have an interest in possibly working in a hospital setting, specifically at AI DuPont Children's Hospital. And I've always had an interest to work in a hospital or medical setting, so I thought this would be really interesting to take. I also have a lot of friends that are nurses, so I was interested to take it because they talk about the social workers that they work with all the time. And also with my current job, I work for the Division of Family Services in Delaware. There's a lot of youth who come into our care because of reports from the hospital. So I kind of would like to get an idea of what they are seeing and what goes behind them making a report to us. Um, I'm excited to take this course and I hope to take away some knowledge about the medical social work field because it is a bit different than traditional social work because you have to work in a hospital setting or a private practice, and you're dealing with patients and case management, and not only patients but their families and possibly other agencies like Division of Family Services. So I'm hoping to learn how to work with all the different agencies and what medical social work really is all about. I look forward to working with all of you and good luck this semester.